everyone, this is Ankita here and welcome back to another video of Thailand. So today is our day 1 in Phuket, and in this video you can see our stay at Kata Sea Breeze Resort, Kata Beach, Kata Night Market and the bookings for Phuket City Tour and Island Tour. In my last video you can see how we traveled from Bangkok to Phuket by bus. You can click on the I button here or click on the link in the description below to get more detailed information about our travel. It's 7 a.m. in the morning and we have reached Phuket Bus Terminal 1, and from here it is half an hour to 40 minutes ride to our hotel, which is at Kata Beach. We are looking for taxi right now and there's a taxi booth here. You can see the fare chart. So the fare depends on which beach you want to go. So for Kata Beach it is mentioned 600 baht, and the fare mentioned here is for 3 passengers, and since we were 6 people they took 700 baht from us. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Go now. So the roads of Phuket are very clean and beautiful, and the early morning weather was very pleasant. It took around 45 minutes to reach from Phuket Bus Terminal 1 to our hotel, which is at Kata Beach. So this is our hotel, Kata Sea Breeze, and it is a very big and beautiful resort. So our check-in time is at 2 p.m. and we are here early by around 8:30 a.m. So we requested them for early check-in, and by that time we had our breakfast and relaxed by the pool. And we got our first room at 12 p.m.
Actually, the hotel we require for room security deposit in cash. Okay, then you can get it back when you check out. We will provide the receipt to you. I have to follow up the hotel policy.
How much is it?
It's actually 2,000 baht each room.
Oh,
But it's for your family. I take only 3,000, just 3,000 baht. Then you can get it back when you check out, and the deposit can deduct with the bill as well.
make it 2,000.
Please 3,000, please, just 1,000 baht each room.
Okay.
So here in Thailand, most of the hotels they take security deposit, and in our Bangkok hotel, after requesting, they did not take any security deposit. So we even requested here at this hotel, but they just reduced the price to 50%. So which was 3,000 baht for 3 rooms, 3 nights, and this price was then adjusted with our food bills and the cab service that we took. So this hotel is very beautiful and big. There are many swimming pools here and a lot of activities where you can spend your time and relax. So at the right side you can see this is the restaurant area. Then also there are these massages available which are at reasonable price. This is the bar counter. Then there are these games which I said earlier where you can spend your time. Even we did spend our time playing these games in the evening. So there are full access rooms available, as you can see here. And there is also a kids play area where your kids can also enjoy, and above this kids play area is a gym and open space area where you can do your yoga. I forgot to record the gym and that open space. So just at the entrance near the reception area there's an in-house cafe. Then there's a waiting area, a lounge where you can spend your time till the time you get your room. So the inside room is an AC room, and there's a small library inside where you can enjoy reading. So it's a good arrangement to wait and relax if you arrive early and if the rooms are not available. We are done with all the check-in formalities and we are having a breakfast now. So let's see the breakfast spread. A lot of the items were not available while recording, but yeah, they do keep refilling it. So So we had our breakfast, and meanwhile we get our rooms. We went outside to check and buy a few packages like Phi Phi Island Tour, City Tour, and rent a scooty. So just besides our hotel, there was a lane full of tour operators. There was 7-Eleven store, few grocery stores, restaurants, etc. And even the Kata Beach was just 700 meters away. So we are planning to book two tours, that is Phi Phi Island tour and a city tour. Our Phi Phi Island package includes 4 islands and 7 points, which includes your Maya Bay, Koh Sama Bay, then Khai Island, Monkey Beach. Then there's also lunch included. Then we can go for snorkeling, jump in water, Viking cave, and a few more points.
We are pick up you from the hotel at 7:30. From the hotel, the boat take 1 hour to the pier. And then
So for Phi Phi Island tour, our pickup will be at 7:30 a.m. from our hotel, and it will take around 1 hour to reach the dock, that is the pier from where we have to board our speedboat. And from there, it will take around 1 hour to reach the Maya Bay in the speedboat. And then we'll cover all other points as given in our package as per the schedule.
we pay 1,600 one person, 50% discount for you.
So he quoted 1,600 baht per person for Phi Phi Island tour, but we also checked the city tour package. So we selected the second program for Phuket City Tour, which includes Tiger Park, Big Buddha, Chilong Temple, Cashew Factory, Old Phuket Town Tour, etc. And we went with the late morning timings, which was from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. So there are 3 batches, 7:30 a.m., 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. And they will pick up from the hotel half an hour before this time.
Because 1,500 the company price. It's no
No,
commission.
200, 1,200.
1,200 cannot, madam. I pay them 1,500.
6 people booking with
Yes,
you now.
but I lose 300. 6 people is 1,800. I lose for the company.
1,200 good price. Sir.
I have not, sir. I have not for 1,200.
So we have booked our package from this City Tours. So we'll share the experience after the trip. I mean after. Yeah.
Actually got the money now.
Yeah. He's very happy now. See, so 14,000.
14,000 Thai baht for 6 people and 6 trip and 2 trip. Very
And
cheap.
you give us complimentary, right?
A good company. And I give 1 day free motorbike.
Yeah, he did give us a good price. So once we are done with the trip, I will give you a review how it was.
So by the time we did tour booking for our next 2 days, our room was ready. So here is our room. So the room was also equipped with all the necessary things like umbrella if it rains, then sleepers, and even the washroom was quite decent. It had a bathtub, not jacuzzi, but a normal bathtub. So the rooms are quite spacious and clean. Our room had a balcony which gave a very beautiful view of the entire hotel. Fresh होने के बाद with the complimentary scooty that we got, we went for lunch near Kata Beach.
This is Highway Curry Restaurant, and it is around 1 kilometer from our hotel. So around 10 minutes walk from our hotel. We have arrived here for we searched on Google for Indian food, and we got this with good reviews. So we came here.
So in lunch we had both veg and non-veg, and the food here was good and decent. We are heading back to our rooms now and we'll rest for some time as we are tired by our overnight bus journey from Bangkok. It's evening time now and we are at Kata Beach.
It's almost 6 o'clock. I don't know how much time we'll be able to spend. But yeah, we are just heading for a walk. Maybe if possible, we will go in water, not sure. But the weather today is beautiful. I don't know how it is daily, but at least today's weather is very beautiful.
So one thing is that on this Kata Beach area, you'll hardly find any Indians. You'll find people from all other countries. We did not see even a single Indian apart from the two Indian restaurants. So if you wish to be around Indian people, then you can stay on Patong Beach. But Kata Beach is also beautiful and has good vibes. It's not like Kata Beach is less crowded. So December being a holiday season, all places in Phuket will be crowded. We enjoyed some time in water and then returned to our hotel when it turned dark. So while we were returning near the beach itself, we saw these 2-3 trees and I guess there were a lot of birds on them. You can just see it or maybe hear it.
See the birds, I don't know what happened to them. They're chirping so loud. This tree is, I guess, it's full of birds. You can listen, I guess, the sound.
After some time, we went to the Kata Walking street or the Kata Night Market. So this market basically has one lane for shopping where you can get t-shirts and some other stuff. And just a few steps ahead, there is another lane where you can explore a variety of local food. So this was our day 1 in Kata, Phuket, and in the next video we'll take you on a Phuket City Tour. So if you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel and drop in your feedback in the comment section below. See you in my next video. Until then, bye-bye.